How's it, guys? Welcome back to Rex to Rides, where we are still turning your hard-earned cash into unfinished projects and broken dreams. Well, we have the engine bay of the Isuzu. A small problem here. Let's see if we can fix it with this plate. Mount that, mount that. That looks like it might fit. So far so good. Little splash of paint. Maybe look at making a few more brackets. And there you have it. New bracket. It's nice and tight. Suspends the fuel lines with our T-piece that goes back to the return. So a little sort of regulator, 8mm pipe in, 3mm pipe back. Cable's nicely done up. Some bracket from something repurposed for that. And off we go. That's looking a lot better. Now we move on to the interior.